Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Golf 2.0 TDI 116B horsepower style with tinted rear windows in sleek white. With only 50264 kilometres on the clock, this 2-litre engine beauty is loaded with top-notch features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone and collision avoidance braking for safety. Stylish illuminated logo, chrome package and spoiler give it a high-end look. Enjoy peace of mind with ABS, multiple airbags and a comprehensive warranty. Our vehicle undergoes a full health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer standards. Don't miss out. Call us now or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more details on this exceptional ride.